Make a great choice today with the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, home link garage door opener, remote vehicle start, aluminum wheels, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.